Imagine the world was ending and your AC was hot. That's crazy. Let me show you how to fix it. If you have the Mercedes C300 W205, which is 2015 and up, then this video is for you. I'm a man, I'm a heat. I'm a man, I'm a heat. Okay, change your own AC. Let's recharge your AC. I want 348 is the refrigerant you're gonna need if you have the W205 C300 like what I have. So this is the one I got because this is the one that matches me. Ask chat if you have another type of car, obviously. Yeah, you're gonna have to engage with the hose. You're gonna need the gauge and the hose, right? This is a really good tool to use. I have the one without the gauge, but that's not as safe. So because we don't want to fuck the AC up, you know what I mean? Like, sorry to the disabled community, I couldn't find a way to do this video without hands, but you're gonna need hands for this one, and your hands should be protected by gloves. So let's just imagine I have gloves on. And of course, you're gonna need some eyewear, some kind of eye protection, because you don't want this thing getting in your eyes. Obviously, it's for cars, not the face. So let's get started. Take your hand and open up your hood. Just reach under for that red lever and pull it. Next, you want to connect the can and the gauge. So just screw that onto the top, and yeah, make sure it's set up properly. Let's go. So it should look something like this. More importantly, you're gonna need a shaded place to work. So go ahead and shake up your can. Shake it up, shake it up, shake, shake, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake, 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 shake. Then you have to locate your AC low pressure valve. So it's gonna be here where you see the Winter logo. I already had it unlocked, but unlock this knob. It will be like that. You unlock it, twist, and you should be able to pop this cover off. Pop this cover off. So you press in and open up. Okay, so with your engine off, you want to go ahead and connect to your low pressure fitting with it, which is this one, right? Because I have the air exchanger over here. So the low pressure fitting and the high pressure fitting is on the same line. So this one, which is closer to your windshield, is going to be your low pressure fitting, which is the smaller fitting of the two, if you look closely. Right? So you're just going to attach to it. Also, it won't attach to the high one physically. It's too large. So that's one safety feature. See, it's locked on. That's your low pressure fitting. Start your engine, start it, and turn your AC all the way up to the maximum. Just put it on auto. So now that it's running, you can see that the valve reading is almost on zero. Actually, it's very low. So that could indicate a leak, right? Which is another problem. But we're gonna just recharge it for now. So, and then we'll check and see if it leaks later on, right? So hold the can upright like this, and just press the trigger for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. And just shake it as you do it. Turn it between 12 and 3, right? Just to keep it. Let it stabilize. Just start going up. This is gonna get cold, as you see, the condensation, but that's okay. So we should be good right here. So that's 40. I said we leave it there, and yeah, disconnect. Just pull on it like that, and you disconnect. It's the same way you connect, by the way. And yeah, you just reapply the caps. AC recharge. Now let's check it out and see if it's blowing colder, and let's give it a little time. Ice cold, baby. I'm ice cold. Yeah. Okay, so that's good. So that's how easy it is to recharge your AC in your Mercedes C300 W205 if you have the air exchanger and all of that, because I couldn't find any videos about my car, and then I ran into this one video just like 2 minutes ago, and I was like, oh, if this helped you, then go ahead and hit like and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll get back to you. Peace out.